Good afternoon. Dave here. How you people at YouTube doing? Are y'all doing okay at home? I hope you're doing fine. I wanted to reiterate yesterday, it's a mandatory use of the mask now. For the area that I live, I haven't really gotten an update on the death toll, but it has been going up. The use of the mask is so that even though we the people that are essential, and that includes law enforcement, fire department, volunteer fire department, and so forth, the people that are essential have to still mingle around the public. And even though the public is still allowed to go out during the daytime, go out there and buy their food and, you know, things they need at home, we still got to mingle with them. That's why it's a lot better that the local leader had said it's better if we do use masks. But I'm out here in the ranch area. There's nobody around here. There's really no need to use one, but you know what? It does feel better. Because even though, well, I can't use my glasses because every time I put them on, they fog up because of the mask. The mask does feel a little bit better. I do notice that when I breathe in, I can breathe in fresh air. There's nobody around here, but you know, I'm trying to set the example. It's sad that we had to go through all this. I know for my age, since the time that I was a boy, I never went through this. We never went through this, at least during our lifetime, and I'm considered a baby boomer. Us baby boomers, I don't think we had to go through this situation where we had to mandatorily keep ourselves inside the house. Pretty much, if you didn't have an essential position, you pretty much lost your job. Because I have noticed while driving down the road, T-Mobile offices are closed, dental offices are closed, non-essential offices are all closed. But yet, essential people are like, for example, the employees at the H-E-B, the employees at Kroger, the employees at the Dollar Generals. You know, they still allow people to go in there and get close to each other, and you know, there's really nothing that can be done. You know, all these restaurants that are still continue to be open when they have a drive-through that's available, or the ones that don't have a drive-through, they're gonna shut down, close it down completely. And that's what's pretty sad about it, is that a lot of these nightclubs, these bar and grills and so forth, they're shut down. There's a friend of mine that owns a bar and grill. He's shut down. He made real good food. Called him the other night, hoping that I could maybe get a plate of chicken wings. He's closed. Closed until May the something, according to him. So my God, whatever employees he had to let go. I mean, the unemployment rate is pretty up high. But you know what? They get to stay at home. They can file for unemployment and get their benefits. They got a stimulus check coming towards them. They don't have to be out here in the open areas where they're more susceptible to catching that coronavirus. But I'm hoping this will go away. I'm hoping and I'm praying that this goes away, because hopefully by the month of September, hopefully this will go away. The airlines will get back to normal. There's no more evidence of a coronavirus. Hopefully by September I can get my vacation and rest, take some of that stress off, you know. Anyway, as fat as I am trying to lose weight. I got my dinner waiting in the truck, but I wanted to make my daily post and wish you all a great Sunday evening. Next Friday, if you all would be willing to, next Friday, which is considered Good Friday, I would ask you all to fast. Just take 2 meals, just eat 2 meals and fast. Fast for a full 24 hours. This is being done at our church, at the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. Here's our church. That's the church that I belong to. Our prophet has asked us if we can fast, which is on Friday. Just get two food breaks, and that's it. And for the whole 24 hours, fast. And if you wish, make a prayer. Support us. Support the fact that you want this coronavirus to go away, or to be controlled at least. I would ask all my friends, even if you're not a member of the church, I would ask you that if you would join us in this fasting, 24-hour fast. You get to eat just 2 lunches or two dinners or whatever it is within the 24-hour period. Help us out. Let's unify ourselves as Christians and show the evil Satan that we can combat this. We can someday live in peace again. Because right now there's a lot of turmoil going on. And that's what I ask you. My friends and family and the people around the world that could be listening to me next Friday, Good Friday, let's fast for a full 24 hours. And believe me, the Lord will hear us, and the Lord will see our commitment towards Him. And He will save us. He will. I have great confidence in that. So anyway, there's Dave here, coming up to you here at the Travis County, here at the farm. An update at the farm. Look, it looks pretty small. It still looks kind of small. We still have a couple more months before we get ourselves some nice watermelons. But if you look towards this way, can you point the camera this way? Right there. See, that's ready over there. Those are onions. Yeah. Anyway, y'all have a good Sunday. Stay inside the home. I'm hoping y'all are staying inside the home. Stay unified with your family. Try to do some daily prayers. Don't die. Is what's important here. Do not die. Live so that you can tell your grandkids about these bad situations that you live by. Y'all have a great afternoon.